Kwa jina naitwa Khalide, Hussein Khalide, na mimi ni director wa shirika la Vocal Africa na pia ni board member wa Amnesty International. And today we are here in Nyalenda, which was the zero ground a few weeks ago of clashes between the police and protesters. And we've decided to come here to have this dialogue between community and police, and to try and forge a way forward on how we can ensure that the rights in the Constitution are respected, promoted and protected by the police, and also that the people will be allowed to enjoy their fundamental rights and freedoms. We are here to remind the police and the community that yes, security is paramount, but also the Bill of Rights in the Constitution of Kenya must be respected by all, including the police. We are here to tell the police that excessive use of force goes against the Constitution. We are here to tell the police that they must follow the law and not orders from above. That as a people, we will continue to promote peace and security, but the police must also ensure that they respect the rights of the people as enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya. So as Amnesty International, we have come together, we've brought together community representatives, police and different state institutions, including the judiciary and LSK, so that we can have this dialogue and forge a way forward that will enhance not just peace in the community, but also human rights and justice for citizens of Kenya.